United Kingdom Arts and Entertainment Websites. Chapter 1. The United Kingdom is the king of arts, entertainment, and pop culture. Thebiglist.co.uk covers arts and entertainment in the UK. Covers bars, clubs, museums, etc. Big arts and entertainment websites for all the countries in the UK. Arts Hub UK. artshub.co.uk. The Telegraph. telegraph.co.uk Culture. list.co.uk. artuk.org. An online home for UK art. bbc.com/culture/entertainment-news. Entertainment and arts from across the BBC. Kadaza UK. kadaza.co.uk Culture Art. LW Entertainment. lwentertainment.com. whynow.co.uk. Stories within music, film and TV, art, gaming and more. The Arts Society. theartsociety.org. Over 300 arts societies across the UK. UK arts and entertainment categories at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/arts_and_entertainment. Subcategories. Art history. Arts funding. Celebrities. Clubs and venues. Community arts. Events. Guides and directories. Libraries. Museums. Organizations. Restaurants and bars. Animation. Architecture. Body art. Comics. Crafts. Film. Literature. Performing arts. Photograph. Radio. Television. Visual arts. Big UK arts and entertainment websites at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/arts_and_entertainment/guides_and_directories. artsjournal.com/artswatch/artswatch.htm, artswatch. Art listings with information on London's latest exhibitions and visual art events. wherecanwego.com, Britain's What's On Events Guide. Search for local events up to a year ahead, near any UK postcode, town, or county. britisharts.co.uk, British Arts. Collection of professional British artists. londonart.co.uk, London Art. Large collection of original works of art for sale online. musicomh.com. newexhibitions.com, new exhibitions of contemporary art. Contemporary art, architecture, and design listing service. studioarts.co.uk/localartists.htm, Studio Arts. Directory of United Kingdom artists, with samples of their work and links to other pages. What's in .guide, What's On. UK arts and entertainment news and media websites at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/united_kingdom/arts_entertainment/news_and_media. /seconds.org. bbc.co.uk/news/entertainment_and_arts, BBC News, Entertainment and Arts. theguardian.com/culture, Guardian Unlimited, Arts. independent.co.uk/arts-entertainment, Independent, Arts and Entertainment. telegraph.co.uk/culture, Telegraph Arts. UK Arts Organisation websites at curlie.org/n/arts/organisation/regional/United_Kingdom. Subcategories. National Cultural Centres. Photography. Pottery. Writing. artangel.org.uk, Artangel Trust. Commissions one-off artists projects for different sites, concentrating on innovation and exploration within and across art forms. arthouseunlimited.org, Arthus Limited. Includes gallery and information on how to make a donation. ascstudios.co.uk, Artist Studio Company. Charity providing affordable studio space to visual artists, mainly in South London. artsalive.co.uk, Arts Alive. Charitable trust dedicated to providing local people in rural areas with the opportunity to choose and promote professional arts events. artscouncil.org.uk, Arts Council England. The National Development Agency for the Arts in England, providing funding for a range of arts activities. bazookaarts.co.uk, Bazooka Arts. Practitioner-led non-profit arts organisation Glasgow, UK. See clorduffield.org.uk, the Clore Duffield Foundation. Grant-giving arts foundation with a particular interest in supporting children, young people, and society's most vulnerable individuals. carad.org.uk, Community Arts Raider and District. Information on projects, special events, news, and facilities. Wales. gge.org.uk, the Guild of Glass Engravers. Promotes high standards of creative design and craftsmanship in glass engraving. Thehubook.com, The Hub, Arts Development Practice. Offers and specializes in several art development, marketing, and management issues. Moseley-art-school.co.uk, the Moseley School of Art Association. The Association of Former Pupils and Teachers of the School in Birmingham. Nesta.org.uk, National Endowment for Science, Technology and the Arts. Supporting and promoting outstanding talent, innovation, and creativity in individuals and groups. ScottishArtsClub.com, the Scottish Arts Club. Founded by a group of artists in 1872. SAA.co.uk, Society for All Artists. Organization which welcomes artists of all abilities. Tradartsteam.co.uk, Traditional Arts Team. Runs events in the Midlands relating to traditional performing arts including storytelling, song, music, and dance. Vividprojects.org.uk, Vivid Projects. The Birmingham-based Lab for Media Arts objectives are to foster, support and create new opportunities for the development of media arts practice in the West Midlands region. WAI.org.uk, Wales Arts International. Collaboration between the British Council Wales and the Arts Council of Wales to raise the profile of the arts. UK arts funding websites at curlie.org/n/regional/united_kingdom/arts_and_entertainment/arts_funding. artfund.org, the Art Fund. Funding fine art for UK museums. artscouncil.org.uk/funding, Arts Council England, funding. Information on funding programs, including those involving lottery money. britishcouncil.org, the British Council. Working with partners in the UK, the British Council helps to share British expertise and talent with over 100 countries worldwide. bfi.org.uk, British Film Institute. UK national agency with responsibility for encouraging the arts of film and television and conserving them in the national interest. craftscouncil.org.uk, Crafts Council. Promotes the contemporary crafts in Great Britain. nationallottery.dcms.gov.uk/charts, Department for Culture, Media, and Sport, National Lottery Good Causes. OppenheimDownestrust.org, the Oppenheim John Downes Memorial Trust. Financial assistance for British artists, sculptors, writers, musicians, and dancers. UK community arts websites at curlie.org/n/regional/europe/united_kingdom/arts_and_entertainment/community_arts. bbc.co.uk/blast, blast. A BBC initiative encouraging 13 to 19-year-olds throughout the UK to get involved in dance, film, art, and music. fact.co.uk, fact. Electronic arts agency specialising in community arts, video, multimedia, installations and publications. greenwichmuralworkshop.com, Greenwich Mural Workshop. Information on community and public art mosaics, murals, and banners. lakesidearts.org.uk, Lakeside. University of Nottingham's Public Arts Centre with a programme of music, dance, theatre, visual art, and family events. tradartsteam.co.uk, Traditional Arts Team. Runs events in the Midlands relating to traditional performing arts including storytelling, song, music, and dance. Publishes the magazine, Folk Monthly.